Good day, my friend. On this video I will not show you a tutorial, but I will throw a bottle in the sea just to see if I can get some help about that car that drives me absolutely nuts and I can't find the problem. So what is happening with the car? So it's the W126 300 SD with a 617 Turbo Diesel engine. So I was driving the car, everything went fine, the car had power, everything was great, and all of a sudden, no power whatsoever. Even my tractor was going faster. So obviously I did a lot of things on the car, which I will tell you now. But still problems. So let me tell you what has been done on it, and if any of you can think of what the cause could be, and as well if that can help somebody else as well. We never know. What has been done on that car? Well, service of the engine, obviously, oil change, filter change. The fuel tank has been removed as well. Inside there's a filter which also has been cleaned, because obviously I want the gas oil to come fine on the motor. Here we can see that there's some wires. What it is, it's a fuel pump that I've connected here, because the existing fuel pump needs some attention. So until I fix that, I fitted a fuel pump electrical, and the gas oil arrived fine. There's no air in the diesel, because obviously there's air, they won't start, so that's fine too. What else? Glow plugs, they all have been checked and replaced if necessary, and it's all fine. They work fine. Injectors have been removed and completely dismantled, clean, tested, fine, mounted back again. The turbo has been completely rebuilt as new. The EGR valve has been replaced, brand new as well. The injector pump has been removed, dismantled. Inside there were some rusty parts, so everything has been cleaned and reassembled. The compression of the engine has been done, it's fine. The valve have been adjusted, it's fine. The timing of the engine has been done, great. So now I'm not too sure what else can be done, to be honest. So I thought of maybe the Alder, which sometimes give problems, but I don't think that would be the cause. But anyway, I thought of that. I thought as well of maybe an electrical problem, or maybe a vacuum problem, because those engines run a lot on vacuum. So I'm not too sure. What is good to know as well is that when the injector pump has been mounted back on the car started fine. The engine did a bit of smoke, and I've been able to drive the car up to 90 kilometers per hour, not more than that. It didn't have the power. It's like if the turbo didn't kick in, I don't know. So that was a bit crazy. And then eventually the engine simply died on me. Why? I don't know, but that's what happened. Okay? So I'm not too sure now what else can be done on that car. But anyway, what we'll do now, we will try and start it and see what happens. As you have seen, the engine turned, but it doesn't even cough. He simply died, and he was running. So as I say, I've done all this, and I'm not too sure what I can do now in order for this to run. I'm completely lost, to be honest, but maybe one of you will have an idea as to what I can look, because it's a shame to have a car like this that's basically stopped. And if this happened to me, highly likely somebody else has that problem too. Some people quoted me 12,000 euro to rebuild the engine, which no, I won't do it. That's clearly, that's for sure. And I don't think the engine is to be rebuilt either, because it ran, or at least it was running, and I'm not sure where it stopped. So anyway, if any of you have an idea of what I can look for, I welcome any comments, and see if we can have that car running again. Okay, so anyway, I hope you have liked the video, and thank you in advance. Cheers.